Center for Development of Northeastern Region jong Indian Institute of Management Shillong kalapan lang yung lang Plie jengmut bat kinong mikmat kasunjok kinong sunshar nong kabri unyo trap ka Federation of Traditional Village Leaders of KHASI and Iateh Hills Meghalaya hagasni baar hagan kajing lang director ka jong ka IIM Shillong Professor DP Goyal ulayay ban halor kajing don kam banyetre lang bat kikar khana khanang banla hagaman sang yaki kam la jong Ugoy lay tu bagi don haru nyos pa angut kisamla pule bat kitu ki badang don hakinu kini kam kila ban no senyang naga banta ban kentiu hakathan.
Today we have just invited, requested all the Vaishnav people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from IIM Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come to a very rigorous, tough test, and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we are just trying to understand their expectations from IIM Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that how admissions